So welcome to stage 3 of the QO100 project. We're having a dish upgrade now. So this is the original Sky dish, 80cm one that we started off using, and I thought just to give it some scale, I'll show you what we've now upgraded to, or about to upgrade to. So as you can see, it's quite a bit bigger. That's the one we're using currently, the Saab one, and that's the one I'm using for the downlink for the video, the CRA 1963 one as it's currently called. So that's a 1.2 metre dish, that's a 90cm dish, that is an 80cm dish, and that, if I can get it all in, is a 1.8 metre dish. Now on to part 2. The dish is going to be mounted between those two, not yet concreted in, but that will be going in place there. This is the tilting mechanism for it. It's quite robust, and we'll see how that looks on transmit. 1.8 metre dish is on its plinth. Probably noticed a deliberate mistake there. Those dishes aren't all going to work together. No, it's never going to be the space for the three of them, but one is going to replace two. There it is in all its glory. Next thing is to obviously install the arms for the LNB, stick an LNB on it, and have a look at the sky. Take these other dishes down, relocate the electronics. At the moment all the electronics for the amplifier and up converter are all in this box here. I'll cover this in another video, but just to show everybody in there. So here's the amplifier and the up converter. I'm going to locate that a lot closer to the actual front of the dish, keep the 2.4 meg run, sorry, 2.4 gig run as short as possible, and rotates nicely. I'll put that into place entirely on my own, which probably wasn't very clever, but yeah, it's in place. So dish is all in, the LNB's mounted, and yeah, we're receiving stuff from QO100, which we should be, shouldn't we, with a dish this size. And the other two dishes have come down. Got a little pole there, which I'm probably going to mount the control box on actually, but right down at ground level, so that it's not in the way. Although I'm a little bit worried that the RF might be reflected onto the dish, so from the up converter and the amplifier, so might actually relocate it behind somewhere, but get it in really nice and close and tight. So there you go. And rear view, it's all aligned and tightened up. Might need a little bit of tweaking, but essentially it's done. Go and see how it's performing now. This is the final installation video really. The dish is all installed. I've got a stabilised LNB on there, which is getting a local oscillator from a GPSDO derived source up in the shack with the potty antenna on it, patch of the ear antenna. The little white bit you see on the front is the lens, so that's the focal point, and then you can see a little SMA coming off the side picking it up. And the control box is here just outside the beam, and there it is there. This is the amplifier and the up converter, and down the bottom is a 3 dB attenuator because it's producing so much power now it was actually tripping out the satellite. So I think we could call that a success. Next thing will be the DATV variant, and that's it for now.